So Krishna is very merciful. He is Lord of Lords. In a moment, he can demolish the whole universe and create millions of universes in a second. And he is causeless, merciful. He has all good qualities in him. Out of mercy for we, the conditioned souls, he has invested all his power, all his mercy, all his qualities in these names, 16 names. So names are as powerful, more powerful, no harm, than Krishna himself. He is so merciful. These conditioned souls, giving up me, forgotten me, in this miserable land of world, suffering too much. And out of mercy, he gave Manushya Janma, human form of life. Because only in this human form we can do sadhu sangha, and by that we can realize we are eternal servant of Krishna. Labdhva sudurlabham vidam bahu sambhavan manusyam arthadam anityam apayadhira tudam jatet na patet anumitta javat nesesai visha khalu sarvata. Krishna has given this very, very valuable life, but it is very short. Death is dancing every time, all time. When death will come, no one knows. So then, Labdha sudarramindam bhavusham manusyam martadam anityam api adhiram turnam jatet napatet anumitya javat. Before your death, when it will come, no one knows. Make your life successful by bhakti yoga. Even demigods, they want to be in human form, especially in Bharat Bhumi. Bharat Bhumi tahila manushya janma jat, janma sarthak kari tarapar. So, especially in Vrindavan, Navadip, Jagannath Puri. So, if those who are not following Bhakti Yoga, those maybe President of America, India and other places, Russia, very powerful. He may be Prime Minister of any, maybe very, very wealthy, but death has no consideration. Death has only one principle, that you must be old. First you were child, then younger, now you are in this age. After old is welcome, and realize what are difficulties and problems in old age. I am suffering because I am going to cross 90. So, Vyasadeva has told all these things, especially in Brahma Sutra. But Brahma Sutra we cannot understand. So he made Puran, Mahabharata. In Mahabharata Gita, but not satisfied. Then he saw in trance Srimad Bhagavatam, Krishna Leela Katha. So those who will hear Hari Katha from Bhagavat, Krishna sweet pastimes, they will be liberated soon. Otherwise, those who will not follow this principle, whether they may be anyone, they will have to come again as donkey, monkey, hog, pigs. And it may be if you are cow, someone cut you and take flesh. Be ready for that. Those who are not. To do bhajan is not very difficult thing. Only chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram. How each Muslim they exercise so many times, up, down, but nothing to do, you know. And Krishna mercy will come through these names. So I have come to remember these things and to inspire you. Don't forget, name is such a valuable thing that in the whole world nothing equal to it this year. And name in morning, evening, night, without mala, with mala, louder, slowly. Even you are not pure, without mala you can chant. So easy. So, I am requesting you all to have a great faith, a strong faith in these names and preach my mission, what you are hearing from me. This is the thing for to preach in the world everywhere. Our classes are finished for 6 days. Try to collect Prahlad Charitra, Bharat, Ajami, and all these things in your pocket. And remember Krishna, chant very strong faith. Don't be weak. So, you should take in your pocket all these Hari Katha and be happy for it. Go Premanand.